Boys videos, and today, as you can tell, me and my dad are fishing! All fishing stuff. I think one of us might have fished along Vine since our other video ended, sadly. I know how last night I said I would make a video about my new book series, and we were just tired, so I promise I'll do that after our fishing videos. So yeah, as you can see, we got 4 already for sure. As you can see, we got the strongest, and then here, welcome, and then here, some Gatorade stuff.
Ooh, look at this.
Back here, we got nothing except for here. Freedom! Oh. Okay, so we got that stuff, and then you can go along with us. If we go over there in the front of the car, you'll see that. And that's our school. Check off them. Did you put a little fish on this?
I did.
Okay.
And always put it at a good angle. Yep. So if they bite it, they don't suck our rod into the water.
Okay. Did you put a little fish in this one?
I might have to cast that one out one more time.
Okay.
Reel it all the way up. That's a hard one to cast. It's super long.
Can
Can
I try to do it?
Okay, yeah. Stop railing. Turn it all the way around. Keep turning, no. Keep turning. So it's like this. Okay. Let me see. Tuck it under your arm. Nope, turn. Face out into the ocean, your body. And let your hands go. Open up your arm. Okay. Now, turn your head. Put one.
No problem.
Hold this.
What do you mean?
Watch.
What do you mean?
I want you to go like this with it.
Oh, okay.
So it's gonna go whoosh that way, okay?
Okay.
So you're gonna stand like a sword.
Okay.
Okay. Now hold this string.
Hold the string, and then
Are you holding it?
yeah. And then once I want to let it go.
Whip it and let your hand go right when it's aiming, okay? That's it. Just. Hey, that's one of your best casts. Good job. All right, stick it in the hole.
2, 3.
Reel in a couple. Good job, Tristan.
Thanks.
That was a heavy. That pole
That's a heavy one.
Yeah. Ooh, Tristan.
Okay.
I don't know. It looked like the string was getting tighter. I can't tell. No? Is it just my imagination? Ooh, something was eating it. Look at how.
Oh.
See how mangled it is?
Yeah.
That's all that's left.
Should we really let it go like
No,
that?
throw it right back in just like it. I like to do that one the same way that I just did that big one. Oh, hold on. Reel it in some more for you. Get it like, keep going, stop. Yeah, see that little thing?
Yep.
Okay. Turn it sideways again. Whew. Here we go. That's fine right there. We're on 4 minutes. We might hit pause.
Okay. Let's go check out.
Huh? It's a dirty job. I'm hoping there's one on there. On that one. Why not? What? 1, 2, 3. That one would get some air. Okay?
Okay, I'll meet you guys back in 3, 2. Whoa, 1. Okay, guys.
It should be bent a little more, but. Was it a false alarm?
What do you mean?
Like an alarm means like hurry, 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 but it was we ran up to do hurry. No, I can see your bait.
Sink my beauty. Man, it was tugging though.
Am I pressing that one again?
Yeah. 3, 2. Whoa, 1. We're back again. My dad keeps on saying he saw bait next to my fishing pole. Also, a guy pulled in. Thankfully, he's going back there. So we have our spot. I'm just wondering, like, what's gonna happen next. Any poles? Hey, Dad? Could you hold the phone for a second? Thanks. I think that one's slightly tugging. I think, like I said.
Oh, Tristan, we got a tug. Put the rod in a nice spot. Oh, hurry up, buddy. Hold on now. Let him get on for a minute. Just pick it up. Are you feeling him? Make sure he swallows it. And then always give it a little jerk so the hook sticks in him. He might just be nibbling right now. Oh, I can see it. Oh, he's coming. I see him eating it. Ooh, that's a striped puffer. Give him some string. Give him some string like this. There we go. Now he can run away with it. Now he can eat it. Get it in your mouth, sucker. Okay, reel it in a little. Okay, keep it right there. A fisherman at his best. See, so that's when you feel the tugs. You can see that's what's going on under the water. Ooh.
Now at least we know what we might get.
It's a puffer. It's a big puffer. Why won't he eat the whole thing though?
Maybe if I reel it up a bit.
Drop it down. Flip the switch and it sinks.
Sing.
And put the switch back.
Go. Man, you had it for a sec.
You know what's gonna drive you nuts?
If something else tugs.
I think yours was just tugging.
How? Okay, this bait is big.
Alright, I'm pausing it.
Wait, no.
Okay, just put the rod down.
I need to go to mine. Okay, did the video see the pufferfish?
I did see it. We got a good view.
As long as we saw it, then that's what counts.
I wanted him to bring up on land and blow up into a beach ball. Excuse me. Bring this rod over back with the bait on it. Go ahead. Go over there because you already got a bait on it.
Maybe I can get a bigger one. Yeah.
Let me get out of your way. Good job. That was good. Here you go. I gotta fix this rod.
Okay, well, guys, that was another scene. I'll meet you guys back in 3, 2.